I'm doing a switch 3.
You're doing a switch 3.
Switch 3, Dylan?
I might.
Do it. Or 5.
I haven't even jumped backwards
Switch
yet.
5.
Switch 5?
No, not switch 5.
Normal 5? I feel like it.
There's that guy's parachute. Came off.
What the hell?
I know, I thought it was just a part of his jacket.
I think he ripped it or something.
No, it's just still a 5. What are we doing again?
He's gonna 3 and grab, but he's definitely just gonna zesty 3. Ah!
Look at 5.
Oh, Jesus. Oh, they were testing the second one. I should probably 3. I really don't want to 3 again. I always lay in backseat and just die.
It hurt as bad.
Feeling better?
Yeah, that landing didn't hurt so much. Oh shit, I almost just aimed.
Oh, snowboarding. I tied the tail down. Oh! I think he's gonna snap.
I didn't spin out.
Every time I butter my screws.
That was not done.
Oh, that's
no,
the
No, that's just bad when I won.
They're gonna fucking snap.
We kind of want to go to the top. Go up the hill.
Yeah, let's hit the top.
I figured out what you were doing to make your tips go down.
Yeah, did you see me almost eat it?
Ellie, this is for you.
Are you filming?
Yeah. I just got that whole thing on video.
What is happening?
Pop into his kilo would go up.
Alright. I think I go to the top. What kind of? Yeah, I do.
I know it's super clear. It looks really good.
Ellie, look at that here. Look at that.
It looks so nice here though. The sky was so clear, you could see so far out.
That's crazy. The views are beautiful.
For real. Oh shit, my bad.
Yeah. Hey, you're not up there either, Boosie. I wouldn't be doing that on the backside of the
Back it up.
Ben Chandler's for the win!
That is sad. More speed.
Yeah, literally, you got scammed. Uh-oh. Trail's gonna be gone tomorrow. What the? I'm glad to see we're skiing on 2 inches of snow.
Literally.
That was cool. Oh, I want to see that.
I want to see it. The flow is right on.
Yeah, I think the crease can be looking really nice.
Oh. The crease would be insane after yesterday and today.
Oh, that's going.
Yeah, it is.
Oh!